up, everybody? Dave the Car Guy. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of a tech tip. I've done a lot of hot rods and muscle cars, and installing carpet is sometimes not the funnest thing to do because you got to cut up on all the holes to get the seatbelt bolts in and holes to get the seats in, etc., etc. Sometimes cutting all that carpet and the jute padding and the backing out is a little bit rough. So I'm going to try to set up my camera and show you a little hack that I use that gets the job done pretty quickly, pretty easily, in a very clean hole to boot. Here's the vehicle. 1967 Mustang. Just giving you an idea. Razor blade, you cut a little cross pattern in it and try and peel it all out. My method, you're going to get a nice clean hole. That looks something like that. All right, I'm going to try and set this up here so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully, it will work. It's not as easy on my phone as I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to set you up right there. I'll show you the components I'm going to use in 1 minute after I'm done. So right now I'm going to remove the awl. I'm actually going to shove a little tiny screw in there that kind of marks my spot. Here we are, firing up the torch. I'm going to heat up that copper pipe. So it's nice and toasty. Now we're going to go put it to work. I'm going to bring it in the car. You got to watch your hands. Make sure you don't burn them. Line it up. Press on it. And there you go. And then we end up with a nice, clean, cauterized edge hole. No frays of carpet. Nothing to grab a hold. Nothing to peel out. Just nice and clean. And the best part, took like a minute. No swear words were included. So hopefully that was a carpet cutting hack that you can use. I'm Dave the Car Guy, signing out.